Hello guys, welcome back. Looking for the best blenders to level up your kitchen game in 2025? In this video, we've carefully picked the top 5 best blenders for kitchen use available on Amazon right now. Perfect for smoothies, soups, sauces and more. Whether you're a home cook, smoothie lover or fitness enthusiast, we've got a blender that fits your lifestyle and budget. Watch till the end to find out which model takes for more information. Like the video, comment and don't forget to subscribe our channel. And let's get started. Number 5. Vitamix 5 200 Blender. Here is a 520-word description. The Vitamix 5 200 Blender is a high-performance blender designed to handle even the toughest ingredients with ease. With its powerful 2.0 peak horsepower motor, this blender can blend, puree, and heat ingredients to create a wide range of dishes, from smoothies and juices to soups and frozen desserts. The Vitamix 5 2000 features a durable stainless steel blade and a BPA-free Triton copolyester container, ensuring that your blends are both healthy and delicious. The blender's variable speed control and pulse feature allow for precise control over the blending process, enabling you to achieve the perfect consistency and texture. With its compact design and easy-to-use interface, the Vitamix 5 2000 is a great addition to any kitchen. Whether you're a professional chef or a home cook, this blender is designed to help you create delicious and healthy meals with ease. The Vitamix 5 200 is a versatile blender that can be used for a variety of tasks, including blending hot soups, frozen desserts, and even kneading dough. Its powerful motor and advanced blade design make quick work of even the toughest ingredients, ensuring that your blends are smooth and consistent. With its durable construction and advanced features, the Vitamix 5 2000 is a valuable investment for anyone who loves to cook and blend. By providing precise control and versatility, this blender helps you unlock new possibilities in the kitchen. The Vitamix 5 2000 is backed by a 7-year warranty, providing peace of mind and protection for your investment. With its legendary performance and durability, the Vitamix 5 2000 is a top choice for anyone seeking a high-quality blender. Its ability to blend hot soups and frozen desserts makes it a great option for those who want to create a wide range of dishes. By investing in the Vitamix 5 2000, you'll be able to create delicious and healthy meals for yourself and your loved ones. Whether you're making smoothies for breakfast or blending soups for dinner, the Vitamix 5 2000 is a reliable and powerful tool that will help you achieve your culinary goals. With its advanced features and durable construction, this blender is sure to become a trusted companion in your kitchen. Number 4. Breville. The Super Q Blender. Here is a 250-word description. The Breville Super Q Blender is a high-performance blender designed to deliver exceptional blending results. With its powerful 1800-watt motor, this blender can handle tough ingredients with ease, including frozen fruits, vegetables, and ice. The Super Q Blender features a unique blade design and advanced technology, allowing for smooth and consistent blends. The blender's large 68-ounce capacity makes it ideal for batch blending and entertaining. The intuitive control panel and multiple pre-programmed settings enable easy operation and precise control over the blending process. The Breville Super Q Blender also features a quiet operation and durable construction, ensuring that it will withstand the demands of frequent use. Whether you're making smoothies, frozen drinks, or pureed soups, this blender delivers exceptional results. Its advanced features and powerful performance make it a valuable addition to any kitchen. With its sleek design and compact footprint, the Breville Super Q Blender is a great choice for those who want a high-quality blender that can handle a wide range of tasks. By providing precise control and exceptional performance, this blender helps you unlock new possibilities in the kitchen. The Breville Super Q Blender is designed to make blending easier, faster, and more efficient, allowing you to create delicious and healthy meals with ease. Its powerful motor and advanced blade design ensure that your blends are smooth and consistent every time. Number 3. Hamilton Beach Power Elite 12-Speed Blender. Here is a 250-word description. The Hamilton Beach Power Elite 12-Speed Blender is a versatile and powerful blender designed to handle a wide range of blending tasks. With its 1200-watt motor and 12-speed settings, this blender provides precise control over the blending process, allowing you to achieve the perfect consistency and texture. The Power Elite features a durable stainless steel blade and a BPA-free 64-ounce pitcher, ensuring that your blends are both healthy and delicious. The blender's advanced design and powerful motor make quick work of tough ingredients, including number 2, Ninja Professional Plus Blender with Auto IQ. Here is a 250-word description. The Ninja Professional Plus Blender with Auto IQ is a high-performance blender designed to make blending easier and more efficient. With its powerful 1400-watt motor and advanced Auto IQ technology, this blender can handle tough ingredients with ease, including frozen fruits, vegetables, and ice. The Auto IQ technology allows for precise control over the blending process, enabling you to achieve the perfect consistency and texture. The Ninja Professional Plus features a 72-ounce pitcher and multiple pre-programmed settings, making it ideal for batch blending and entertaining. The blender's advanced design and powerful motor make quick work of even the toughest ingredients, ensuring that your blends are smooth and consistent. The Ninja Professional Plus is also designed for ease of use, with a simple and intuitive interface that makes it easy to operate. Whether you're making smoothies, frozen drinks, or pureed soups, this blender delivers exceptional results. Its compact design and affordable price point make it an excellent choice for home cooks and bakers. With its advanced features and powerful performance, the Ninja Professional Plus blender with Auto IQ is a valuable addition to any kitchen. By providing precise control and exceptional blending results, this blender helps you create delicious and healthy meals with ease. Its durable construction and advanced features ensure that it will withstand the demands of frequent use. Number 1. NutriBullet ZNBF 34000Z Blender Combo. Here is a 250-word description. The NutriBullet ZNBF 34000Z Blender Combo is a powerful and versatile blender designed to extract the nutrients from fruits and vegetables, creating delicious and healthy smoothies. With its 1200-watt motor and advanced extractor blades, this blender can break down even the toughest ingredients, releasing their natural nutrients and flavors. The NutriBullet ZNBF 34000Z features a 64-ounce pitcher and multiple cups, making it ideal for batch blending and on-the-go convenience. The blender's advanced design and powerful motor make quick work of fruits, vegetables, and other ingredients, ensuring that your smoothies are smooth and consistent. The NutriBullet ZNBF 34000Z is also designed for ease of use, with a simple and intuitive interface that makes it easy to operate. Whether you're making smoothies, pureed soups, or other blended dishes, this blender delivers exceptional results. Its compact design and affordable price point make it an excellent choice for health-conscious individuals and families. With its advanced features and powerful performance, the NutriBullet ZNBF 34000Z Blender Combo is a valuable addition to any kitchen. By providing precise control and exceptional blending results, this blender helps you create delicious and healthy meals with ease. Its durable construction and advanced features ensure that it will withstand the demands of frequent use, making it a reliable and trustworthy kitchen companion. So guys, that's all for the top 5 best blenders for kitchen on Amazon in 2025. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more videos. We will meet in next video. Till then, take care, bye.